My name is Elephant.
My name is Zebra.
My name is Kangaroo.
My name is Lion.
Hi, Monkey. What are you doing?
Hi, Elephant. I'm jumping. Elephant, where are you, Zebra?
That is Zebra. It is Zoo.
Hi, Zebra. How are you?
I'm fine. And how are you, Frog?
I'm fine, Zebra.
Very beautiful, Zoo. Very nice.
Hi, Snakes.
Hi, Camel. Hi, Zebra.
Hi, Snake. How are you?
I am fine. And how are you, Zebra? How are you, Camel?
I am fine. And how are you, Snake?
I'm fine, thank you, Camel.
Thanks for watching. Part number 2.
Hello, friend. My name is Jokey. And this is Umbrella. Where is Triangle? It is Triangle. Where is Circle? It is Circle. Where is Square? It is Square. Let's go. Jam. 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 Hello, friends. How are you? What are you doing? This is Umbrella. And let's go. Very nice. Hello, friends. My name is Junkie. Where is Square? Where is Circle? Where is Triangle? This is Umbrella. Very nice. Let's go. Jump. 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 Hello, friends. How are you? Where are you going? What is this? This is Umbrella. And let's go.